Fresh in the building, ladies and gentlemen.
Awusheni, good morning. Ndi Macheroni. Vitra mina hi mina Lady Fresh. Itaba iriswin'we namuntlha kwala ka Lathela. Nikhani mnyika vunanga bya mina lebyo saseka. Risimu ro sungula leri ni nga ta mnyika rona eka siku ra namuntlha I Ulekwini. Produced by CM Squared and recorded at Hot Wave Music. The acoustic was done by Subza Beats. Loko mjolo mgana misa n'wana mani. This song is dedicated to you. So, without any waste of time, I hope you enjoy Ulekwini.
Sekutani jata we, ute utani randa we no, ute utani randa we, naleka yutani randa we na, utsembi sekutani jata we, ute utani randa mi no, Ulekwini, zirinza kulava we no, Ulekwini, zakudinga me no, don't understand where you go now. You left me so afraid and alone now. So many nights I've been feeling cold since you disappeared, I'm on my own. Kasi baby Ulekwini, ikale ni mulaba ni wikume, naloko ni butisala patwine, bari bona abatibe, ute utani ranzwe. Lega yutani ladu wena, utsembe sekutani chata we, ute utani randa weno, ute utani randa we, na lega yutani ladu wena, utsembe sekutani chata we, ute utani randa mino, Ulekwini, zirinza kulaba weno, Ulekwini, zirinza kudiga mino. You've been gone for so long now. I wish you could just come back home now. Remember what you said, all the promises. I'm still waiting for accomplishment. Need some money langu dile, kunda kukuma ubuyile, bona unidisambite, kasi utabuyarine. Sekutani chata we, ute utani randa we no, ute utani randa we, naleka yutani randa we na, utsembe sekutani chata we, ute utani randa mino, Ulekwini, zirinza kulaba we no, Ulekwini, zirinza kudiga mino, Ulekwini, zirinza kulaba we no, Ulekwini, zirinza kudiga mino.
So, leria akuri Ulekwini. Sweswi ya amahlweni ndava ni kha ni mi nyika risimu leri venge I Utani Tsundzuka. Utani Tsundzuka yi produciwe hi Subza Beats na Mellow Kid. Utani Tsundzuka na yona yi lava u xayaxayanyana hi byala n'wana mani. Loko u xayaxayo hi byala, tana la ka mina aka Facebook page ya mina Lady Fresh all caps. Na yona Utani Tsundzuka acoustic endwe hi Subza Beats, and I hope kuna yona mi ta enjoy.
Been playing with my my mind for a while, telling me you love me when you know it's all lies. Can't believe that I agreed to give you all my time, but there's no worries, I'm gonna be alright. Kariwa mina uwutlangisi, nambigale ya mina uyibabisi, nabalak banibdela nibakanitile, nikimelela nitiyimisi. It's the shit cause antibdela shodala hiwe nanamina, nasibona awabele kutlanga himbi luyamina. People all around advising me to walk out, family and friends telling me to calm down. This thing is getting me confused now, don't even know just what to do now. Loko no mani famba andinge buyilana, loko no mani famba utani tunduka, loko no mani famba andinge buyilana, loko no mani famba utani tunduka, tunduka, utani tunduka, tunduka, utani tunduka, tunduka, utani tunduka, tunduka, utani tunduka. You've been leaving and returning at night, am I just not deserving all your precious time? I've been calling you and picking, got me freaking out. I guess you happy when I'm breaking down, but even when I wanna shine sit, me thought delay a mina you miss it. Mashangu yari ranzo uni kometine, sena kufamba district leketile, aninga la ishakutala. I know love and tena when I uni randa, sena bona kuri shaswa shakutanda. Man I famba kambe when I say wa ala. It's a shame cause I'm tipdele shota la hiwe nanamina, nasibona awutele kutanga himbi luyamina. People all around advising me to walk out, family and friends telling me to calm down. This thing is getting me confused now, don't even know just what to do now. Loko no mani famba aninge buyilana, loko no mani famba utani tunduka, loko no mani famba aninge buyilana, loko no mani famba utani tunduka, loko no mani famba aninge buyilana, loko no mani famba utani tunduka, loko no mani famba aninge buyilana, loko no mani famba utani tunduka. You will remember me, you will remember me, you will remember, I promise you will remember me. You will remember me, you will remember, I promise you will remember me.
Soleria agora utan tunduka. I hope you enjoyed it. This one hit, I got something different. Ever since show isungula, mintin keni imbelela. Kambe bangwan bangwena miftibi kuri na rapper. I'm Lady Presh, I rap, I sing, nenda inkwa sungwana wa man. Isimnele landela ko Comectica, produced by Jeffrey T Beats and recorded at Hot Wave Music. Comectica risimuro hlohlotela, and I hope and I hope that you enjoy it. I present to you Comectica.
Lady Presh in the building, ladies and gentlemen.
I know you passing through hard times. Swilo aswihambi for a while now. Loko ujika ulanguta sabangwana. Iwana ngari sabwana sa anka. Voices in your head saying give up. But there's your mother, baby brother, and your sister. Balangute way, they see you as a winner. Don't let this world turn you into being a quitter, nah. Life is hard, it ain't never been easy. Take it all upon yourself to run this win and you win it. Everybody got stress, face your own till you beat it. You'll never be alone, God is there for a reason. Like what says she think I should just pray. She come with she God, and turn your pain to bright days. Focus on yourself, too many people just fake. See, they don't wanna see you elevate. And mashaka nabangana bachicha. Sulusa misaba ya himpela shatika. Don't forget, kuri matafula majika. Na wena sikuri ngwani tatipina. Wabona ngwana mani ku aswi easy. Utomile juwani zona ko batinyimpi. Balala batatema bakuhone kelini. Waiting for the day batakubona iwini. It's like you in a cage and you're locked up. And everyone around is your hopes up. You see batakuhembela, baku batakupuna. Then bakujikela, leave you crushed up. Pray for the people that hurt you. Forgive all the ones that desert you. Do good, don't let nobody change you. One day you find the people who deserve you.
Celerea kure ikomektika ngwana wa mani. I forgot to mention that unfeaturing Moose eka ikomektika. Lako tsekela ku vana the original song of ikomektika, the full song. Kombela ku visit the Facebook page amina at Lady Presh all caps and my personal account which is Lady Presh with a double Y. Sweswani taka swin'wanyani ngwana mani kutani khairila leka ulekwina uleka tantsunduka. Sweswani taka falling in love things, falling in love vibes. Sweswani nitamtisela risimu ra Xivenda called Nambatela lani go feature Roadkid Venda. Nambatela yi produciwe hi Lungani Shix and Big Robza. Big Robza, this is where I'm at Big Robza Studios. And Nambatela is a song that has two versions. Kuna the one featuring Roadkid, kuna the one where I'm going solo. So I hope that you will enjoy Nambatela.
Wanna zama, baby.
Pambani sana, yeah.
But it won't work.
No, Nambatela. Banjiboringenza,
Baby.
Oh no, tangi sana, yeah.
But it won't work.
No, Nambatela. Stuck on you, baby, I'm stuck on you. When I love you, but a tattoo ain't nothing no one can do. I'm down for you. Don't move for night anyway, so ain't nothing nobody can say to convince me to walk right away. Boy, I'm here to stay with you every day. Bachi yamba bari hana penny. Busy as a man, tis with Jenny. Don't move for night yene busy. And the love I have a runga petty. Pamuraro, babe. Nani todo durana, yeah, baby. Vano nyada, vado nyada, yeah. Busy make no domunanga, babe.
Wanna zama, baby.
Pambani sana, yeah.
But it won't work.
No, Nambatela. Banjiboringenza, baby.
But it won't work.
No, Nambatela. Banjiboringenza, baby. Pambani sana, yeah. But it won't work. No, Nambatela.
Lady Fresh in the building, ladies and gentlemen.
Baby, Namuranda, where you go, I will follow. Baby, not defend Malawi, I follow. Tanzania, I follow. To Nigeria, I follow. Boy, I will follow you. Boy, you are the best, I can't compare. So everywhere you go, boy, I'll be there. I'll be there. The way I felt for you, don't understand. I love you when you need, please touch me there. Touch me there. I will follow everywhere that you go. I will follow from today till tomorrow. Baby, Namuranda, where you go, I will follow. Baby, Najifela, where you go, I will follow you. Baby, Naguranda, where you go, I will follow. Baby, Najifela, where you go, I will follow you. Uganda, I follow. Uganda, I follow. Botswana, I follow. Boy, I will follow you. Malawi, I follow. Tanzania, I follow. To Nigeria, I follow. Boy, I will follow you. Loko mini bonani, sakani teni shonda. Lo wamina, onikome kahle. When I saw me bora, mi guarda, mi te, mi moña. Mi katia, elanane. Baby, what you done to me, nobody can undo it. You'll always be a part of me, and that's a fact, I can prove it. So baby, you can leave me, that's where you go and follow it. I wonder what you done to me, that's got me doing what I'm doing. Baby, Namuranda, where you go, I will follow. Baby, Najifela, where you go, I will follow you. Baby, Naguranda, where you go, I will follow. Baby, Najifela, where you go, I will follow you. Uganda, I follow. Uganda, I follow. Botswana, I follow. Boy, I will follow you. Malawi, I follow. Tanzania, I follow. To Nigeria, I follow. Boy, I will follow you.
Soleria Aquari, follow by myself. Eri semuleri ringese umako xikan'we na nambatela a swi se huma kambe swi ta huma eka n'hweti leyi landzelaka. Follow was produced by Subza Beats and it was recorded at Big Rocks Studios. So n'wana wa mani yo a ni ri ku cineni nkarhi le njhani. I hope ku na n'wina mi ri ku cineni na mina phela. So eka siku ra namuntlha, that is all that I had for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed the show. I hope that you enjoyed my presence. I hope that you're following me on Facebook. I am Lady Presh, all caps. My personal account is Lady Presh with a double Y. My Instagram is Lady Presh RSA. My TikTok is Lady Presh. You follow in one of our money so that I can keep on giving you great music. I'd like to say a special thank you to Mgana Lonene for having me. I'd like to say a special thank you to Sis Matilda for hosting me. And I'd like to say thank you and a big thank you to all of you for listening and tuning into today's show. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. I hope you have a beautiful week ahead. May God bless you. I love you so much. Thank you.